Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with your weekly screencast video. So, working in the week 2 of the second 8-week course, week 10 on the regular schedule. We do have a busy week before we head into spring break. I am recording this Sunday evening around 7 p.m. So, the critical thinking essay is due tonight, end of day, and then we'll get to grading those as soon as possible. Also, this week is going to be a bit of a push before break because we're going to work into the introduction and try to get chapter 1 out of the way. So, as you can see here, we're covering the introduction in the Curious Researcher. You're going to want to make sure that you can read Theories of Intelligence. So, an initial post to the first thread is going to be due Tuesday end of day, and then also the chapter 1 activity, the post and responses will be due on Friday. Sunday, the exercise 1.5 topic proposal that you can look at in your textbook will be due Sunday end of day. Then you are on break. I will publish a lecture video this week, explain a little bit about chapter 1 and the topic proposal and our theme for the course. So be sure that you're on the lookout for that particular video. So let's scoot over to the course units, grab the introduction. If you were to look at that exercise in the discussion board, and we'll get there in a minute. If you do not have the textbook, you will be able to complete that activity because there is a PDF here in the course unit of Theories of Intelligence. Okay, so there is a copy there. So getting over to the discussion board number 2. Okay, we're looking at exercise 2. Oops, wrong one. Let me back up. Get out of this particular thread. Now, much like the discussion board 1, I did create 2 threads. Your first thread is going to be Theories of Intelligence, exercise 2 on page 12. You might want to read through that activity if you have the textbook. And I say here, as the suggested in the exercise instructions, take some time to fast write in your notebook some of your thoughts about the academic research paper. Then read Theories of Intelligence beginning on page 13. So you're going to want to read that if you do not have the textbook. Like I said, the PDF is located in the course unit. So read with purpose and keeping your fast write in mind. You can complete the following. After you complete reading theories, discuss the following. So I give 3 prompts, and I'm looking for a discussion, a conversation about 250 to 300 words. Closely look at the conventions of the research paper as we know them and compare to the activity and the construction and the organization of theories of intelligence, right? So I say after your initial post, respond to your classmates' post about the academic research paper and theories, right? So I follow through, same format for the post here, like in discussion board 1. And then exercise 1.4 might be a little bit more complicated. But after reading chapter 1 and viewing lecture video 1, you should have a topic in mind while keeping the theme of keeping to the theme of the course. I will explain the theme of the course and possible topics in the lecture video this week. So I ask you to complete exercise 1.4 steps 1 through 4 in your initial post. You can do this in the discussion board text box. You can do it in the GDoc and copy and paste your post. Whatever you decide, as long as you complete the steps and everybody's able to read and look at your initial post. So remember, this is a brainstorming activity that prepares you for exercise 1.5, the topic proposal. So this is a fast write. I understand that. After you complete your initial post, be sure to respond to at least 1 classmate or even 2 in order to help everyone along. Okay? So, pretty clear, straightforward on this. I create the thread. Just click on the reply button to respond to the 2 threads, and always make sure that you get the discussion going with some prompts there. All right. So this is discussion board 2. 1 is due on Tuesday, 1 due on Friday. And then as I move back into the course units, let's get into the chapter 1 course unit here. And then here is the exercise 1.5 proposal. I believe I'm in my Google Drive account. No, I'm not. I'm not in that Google Drive account, so we're going to skip this activity. But I set up a folder here. Let's see if this will take me there. If I'm logged in, I have like many logins here. So here is the exercise 1.5 topic proposal folder. It's sitting in our course folder in our in our Drive account there. All right. So let me get out of this and back to this. I'll cover this in a lecture video. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Want everybody to be safe out there. Wash your hands if for any reason um, life is, taking a turn and you're not able to uh, perform here in the course. Send me an email so we can start working things out. I sure hope everybody has stayed safe. So, once again, any questions, send me an email and look for that lecture video coming in a day or two.